Let's find out what letter we're going to learn about today. Zip, zap, zoop. Zing. Here's an animal that starts with that letter. Z, z, z. It's a zebra. You're right. And zebra starts with Z. Z. Z, Z, Z. Z is the name of this letter. This time I have all of the pictures turned around. We're going to sing the alphabet and watch for the letter to appear when we get to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Z. Friends, I have something here that starts with Z. See if you can guess what it is. Z, Z. Did you guess yet? You might have this on your coat or your pants. It's a zipper. Friends, do you think we could sing our morning song with a zipper? Sure, why not? Let's try it. I have the zipper right here. I'm going to hold on to it and I'm going to make a zip sound. Do you hear it? Ready? Good morning, Lord. It's gonna be a great day. I'm gonna learn. Now I'm gonna play. I've got my friends to help me along. And I've got you. So I'm singing this song. Great job. Which zipper is the shortest? 1, 2, or 3? Which one is the shortest? 1, the white zipper. You're right. Which zipper is the longest? 1, 2, or 3? 3. You're right. Story time. A to Z. And it's by one of my favorite authors, Sandra Boynton. It has great pictures of animals. Do you see the Z animal on there? It's the zebra. Let's find out what animals go with each letter. Aardvark, admiring. Beavers, ballooning. Cats, cleaning. Dinosaur, dancing. Elephant, eating. Frogs, frowning. Gophers, grinning. Hippos, hiding. Iguanas, itching. Jackals, jumping. Kangaroo, kissing. Lion, leaving. Moose, mowing. Nightingales, nesting. Owl, opening. Penguins, painting. Quail, quacking. Rabbits, running. Salamanders, singing. La. Turkeys, tripping. Oops, silly turkey. Ugly birds, being ugly. Vicuña, violining. Weasel, whistling. Xylophoning. Yaks, yawning. And a zebra zigzagging. Do you see those zigzags? That looks like the zigzags on my sweater. I have this book about zebras called Malia's Big Day. Do you see the zebra on the front? I'd like you to help me count the zebras. How many zebras do you see? 1. one zebra. How many zebras do you see now? Count them carefully. Look for their faces. 1, 2, 3. 3 zebras. How many zebras do you see now? 1, 2. 2 zebras looking at you. How many zebras do you see now? 1, 2, 3, 4 zebras standing on a big cliff. Do you see the mama zebra and the baby? 1, 2. 2 zebras. Did you know that every zebra has a different pattern of stripes? It's true. They are unique, just like you. Now, how many zebras do you see? 1. And if I take that zebra away, how many are there now? None. Did you know there's a number for the word none? It starts with a Z. 0. 0. It's like an O. Can you make a 0 with your hand? Can you see me through there? I see you. If you don't live where the zebra lives, where could you see one? You could go to the zoo. That's right, you could go to the zoo. And right now, maybe you can't go to the zoo, but you could take a virtual field trip. Look up different zoos, see what the animals are doing right now while they can't have visitors. What other animals might you see at the zoo? Let's unzip this bag and find out. Oh, you know this one. He's the king of the jungle. He has a great big orange or yellow mane, and he goes roar. It's a lion. Hi, lion. Who else is at the zoo today? Oh, you know this one. It's gray. It has big ears. It's very heavy. And it has a trunk that goes. It's an elephant. Hello, Mr. Elephant. Very big and strong, and it likes to beat its chest like this. It's a gorilla. Boom, 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 boom. Who else is at the zoo today? Oh, I know you know this one. It's a tall animal. It has long legs and a long neck. It likes to eat the leaves off of the trees. It's a giraffe. Hello, Mr. Giraffe. It's really big and heavy too. It could be kind of grayish. It could be kind of reddish. And it has a great big mouth with big teeth. It's a hippo. Hello, hippo. The hippo is very big. It can swim and go on the land. Hello, hippo. I wonder if you've seen this animal at the zoo. It's green. It's bumpy. It likes to be in the water with just its eyes showing. It's a crocodile. What other animals have you seen at the zoo? Really? That's so cool. I love the zoo. Here's a story about zoo. It's called Put Me in the Zoo. I will go into the zoo. I want to see it. Yes, I do. I'd like to go to the zoo. I would like to live this way. This is where I want to stay. Will you keep me in the zoo? I want to stay in here with you. We do not want you in the zoo. Out you go. Out, out with you. Oh, he looks sad. Why did they put me out this way? I should be in. I want to stay. He likes the zoo. Why should they put you in the zoo? What good are you? What can you do? What good am I? What can I do? Now here is one thing I can do. Look. Now all his spots are... What color are spots? Blue. And now his spots are orange. Say, he looks very good that way. Now look at this. What do you see? What color are his spots? Green. Green spots, as green can be. And now, purple or violet. Violet spots. Say, you're good. Do more, do more. We wish you would. I can do more. Look, this is new. Blue, orange, green, and violet too. Oh, they would put me in the zoo if they could see what I can do. I can put my spots up on this ball, and I can put them on the wall. I can put them on a cat, and I can put them on a hat. I can put them on the zoo, and I can put my spots on you. Look at this now, 1, 2, 3, I can put them on a tree. And now when I say 1, 2, 3, all my spots are back on me. Look now, here's one thing more. I take my spots, I make them 4. Oh, they would put me in the zoo if they could see what I can do. I take my spots, I take them all, and I can make them very small. And now you see I take them all and I can make them very tall. And when I want to have more fun, I take my spots and make them 1. Yes, they should put me in the zoo. The things my spots and I can do. See, I can put them in a box. I take them out. They look like socks. And I can put them way up high. Up, up they go. I make them fly. I put them high up in the air. My spots fly here. My spots fly there. I call them back now. 1, 2, 3. Now all my spots are back with me. Tell me now, you two. Do you like the things I do? Tell me now, you two. Will they put me in the zoo? We like all the things you do. We like your spots. We like you too. But you should not be in the zoo. No, you should not be in the zoo. With all the things that you can do, the circus is the place for you. Yes, this is where I want to be. The circus is the place for me. He could do so many fun tricks, so they thought putting him in the circus would be a better place than at the zoo. Okay, my friends, I have a story about a zebra, and I want you to try to pick out all the Z words and think. Make a movie in your mind about what's happening. See if you can picture it while I'm telling the story about Zach the zebra. Zach the zebra was getting some Z's. That means he was sleeping. Dreaming about how funny he could be. He could zip up a coat with 0 stripes. It would be blue and purple, not black and white. He'd zigzag out of the zoo and head straight for the track. He'd go zipping by the horses with jockeys on their backs. And after he'd won the race, he'd get flowers and a bath. He'd take off his coat and they'd have a good laugh at the black and white zebra with the blue and purple coat that had 0 stripes and a zipper to keep it closed. The end. Could you picture that in your mind? Was the zebra wearing a different kind of coat? Did it have any stripes? No, it had 0 stripes. What color was it instead? It wasn't black and white. Blue and purple. That's right. And where did he go when he zigzagged out of the zoo? He went to the track, the racetrack. He wanted to race the horses. And did he win the race? Yes, he did. What did he win? Flowers and a bath. He took off his coat and they laughed because he was a zebra all along. There's a book called Alphabet Trucks, and it will take us all through the alphabet from A to Z with different kinds of trucks. Would you like to hear that story? Okay, here we go. Start the engines, lift and load, shift the gears and hit the road. Vroom, rumble, zoom. Alphabet trucks. Zoom starts with Z. A is for apple truck, carting produce to the store. B is for box truck with a rolling rear door. C is for cargo truck, shipping goods across land. D is for dump truck, moving gravel, dirt and sand. E is for elevator truck, raise the forklift, up it goes. F is for fuel truck with a meter, pump and hose. G is for grapple truck and its grabby massive claw. H is for horse truck full of water, feed and straw. I is for ice cream truck with frozen treats to taste. J is for junk truck, removing scrap and waste. K is for knuckle boom truck. Its rear crane folds up tight. Knuckle boom, that's fun to say, knuckle boom. L is for lowboy truck with its drop-in deck height. Look at that L. M is for mixer truck, for stirring concrete. N is for news truck, reporting from the street. O is for ore truck, carrying tons in weight. P is for pickup truck with a bed and tailgate. Q is for quint truck, hose, tank, ladders, and pump. R is for recycle truck, less trash to fill the dump. S is for snowplow truck, snowy streets to clear and groom. T is for tow truck with a hook, chain, and boom. U is for U-Haul truck, new homes and friends to greet. V is for vacuum truck, keeping streets clean and neat. W is for winch truck, winding cable on a spool. X is for X-ray truck, scanning contents with a tool. Almost done. Y is for yard truck, slowly moving as it hauls. Z is for zipper truck, lifting barrier walls. There's that Z. Day and night, just watch and see. Trucks work hard from A to Z. The end. Friends, I thought of a song that has Z in it. It's called Zip-a-dee-doo-dah. Let's say that together. Zip-a-dee-doo-dah. One more time. Zip-a-dee-doo-dah. A little bluebird's gonna be on my shoulder in the song. Watch for the bluebird to appear. Zip-a-dee-doo-dah, zip-a-dee-day. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine heading my way. Zip-a-dee-doo-dah, zip-a-dee-day. Mr. Bluebird on my shoulder. Is that true? That's actual. Everything you said is factual. Zip-a-dee-doo-dah, boom, 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 boom.